Hi guys, I just wanted to show you how I pack my CDs and DVDs when I merchant fulfill them. I used to do it in a different way when I just started because I had a lot of basically not free, but like I paid nothing for tons of shipping supplies, so I had them laying around here, so I put them in good use. But now that I'm selling more, it's really time consuming, so I'm kind of just updated the system a little bit to make it easier. I bought some new supplies, so I'm going to show you how I used to do it. I used to use this mailer. There's nothing, no cushion inside, so I used to take this one, the one piece of bubble wrap, and two cardboard pieces. That's what I used to do, and I'll show you how I used to pack a DVD. And this is how I pack them now. Just a DVD. I have I think this one is 9 by 6, which fits just perfectly with the DVD and the cardboard. So I just put the DVD in and the two cardboard. So I'm going to show you how I used to do it with the free supplies and how I'm doing it now. So this is how I used to do it. I used to take the DVD, wrap it in the bubble mailer, in the bubble wrap, put one cardboard on each side, and put it in the envelope, and it fits really good here. So like this. And put a fragile sticker here, and that's it. It's 9 by 6 by 1, and it usually weigh about 5 ounces. So this is how I do it now. I put a cardboard piece, put it in the envelope, in the poly mailer, with another cardboard, and close it, and put the fragile sticker on them, and that's it. So this is how I pack, I used to pack, and how I currently pack my CDs and DVDs. Had no complaints either way about items being damaged or something. It's all went so far pretty perfect. I had like 3 people that wanted to return stuff. Then basically they bought mistakenly bought, or just they didn't want the item. So if it's really small value, like low value items, I just reimburse them the money, and that's it. I just issue a full refund, and that's it. So basically this is how I pack the items. The second way that I show you, it's much faster, but the envelopes, the poly mailers cost money. And basically the stuff that I had before, I got basically almost $2,500 worth of stuff for $150. So it's pretty, I got it almost for free. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much. I just wanted to update you how I pack the stuff to make it faster. So thank you guys for watching.